Hi guys, in my previous video we see Python program using escape and new line character. Today we are going to discuss about keyword arguments. In Python there are two types of arguments: positional arguments and keyword arguments. Positional arguments are normal arguments in Python, and keyword arguments are arguments that can be called by their name. Today we are writing programs using n keyword argument and separator keyword argument. By using this code, I am explaining n keyword argument. A keyword argument consisting of three elements: a keyword, an equal sign, and a value assigned for that argument. Let's see the outputs. Run, run module, okay. We got I love my in one line and country in another line. I'm going to add n keyword argument, comma, n keyword is equal to sign, then quotation mark, run module, okay. We got I love my country in a single line. So a keyword argument consists of three elements: a keyword, an equal sign, and a value assigned to that argument. Next we are discussing about separator keyword argument by using this code. The code includes multiple arguments separated by commas. Let's see the outputs. Run, run module, okay. So we got I love my country. Here I am going to add separator keyword argument, comma, the keyword separator SCP equal to sign, inside quotation I'm putting dash symbol. Let's see the outputs. Run module, okay. After each arguments we got a dash symbol. Let's try with the star symbol. Run module, okay. So we got star symbol after each arguments. Next we can try both end and separator argument together by using this code. Before adding keyword arguments, check the outputs. Run module, okay. So we got I love in one line and my country in another line. We can add separator keyword argument first, comma, separator is equal to, inside quotation I am putting dash. Check the outputs. Run module, sorry, I forgot to put is equal to symbol, okay. Run module, okay. So we got I dash love in one line and my country in another line. Next I am adding n keyword argument. N is equal to symbol, inside quotation I am putting dash again. Run module, okay. So we got I dash love dash my and country in a single line. We need a separator in between my and country. So in the second line I am adding separator keyword arguments. Let's see the outputs. Run module, okay. So we got I dash love dash my dash country in a single line. Try your own codes with separate strings inside keyword arguments and check the output. On my next video, I will explain more about literals. Thank you for watching my video.